Hello everyone, my name is Aaron. I am Gabrielle's oldest brother, and thank you so much, Gabby, for having me on your channel. She gave me the opportunity to share this with you. I'm in a band called Graveyards to Gardens, GTG for short, and a couple weeks ago we launched a Kickstarter to raise funds for our new record. So if you would like to support us, if you want to consider doing that, please head over to our Kickstarter page. I'm sure Gabrielle will have it linked in her description, and we could really use your support. We're a small band, but we have big dreams, so we'd love to partner with you in this phase of our lives. Thank you so much. All right, let's get into it. So I don't know nothing about makeup, but okay, we're gonna put baby skin. I'm guessing it's some lotion or something. I don't know, but we're gonna rub it on your chin, your cheeks, your forehead too. We're gonna rub it and all over your face, your noses. You gotta get on your noses, under your eyeballs. Fit Me, Dewy Smooth. Y'all know what that is. Y'all don't know nothing about that 355 coconut. So get it on the nose, dab, 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 dab. In the middle of your forehead. Make sure the middle of your forehead. That's important. And chin up and down the cheek, up and down the cheek. Right. Keep dabbing. You know, kids like to dab, but that's not the only dab out there. And then we're gonna have a sponge, and we're gonna pat. Use that sponge. For all you SpongeBob fans out there, this is distant cousin SpongeBob. Just so you know, fun fact at home. So keep up that dabbing all across the face where you put, your 355 coconut on. Now Wet n Wild retractable, eyebrow, slight eyebrow work. Do that eyebrow work. And so you combing the eyebrows. You want some precision. Precision is everything. Look at that. Yeah. Line it up. Oops. Make sure you have the Sephora mirror. That's key to all of this. Sephora. Lining it up. Perfect. Now we're going to get some more Fit Me. We like them. Now you're going to brush it underneath the eyebrow. We're going back to that whole precision thing. So keep going. Keeping that. And then sometimes you want to take your finger and it gives a little bit of help. So we're going to take whatever that is, and then we're going to go under the eye, back under the eyeball. That's a major key. Shout out to DJ Khaled. Keep going. You want to take your time. You don't want to rush too much. You want to be, super careful. Pat with the finger. You go with the ring finger, or that seems to be the best finger for this. Now, we're going to line up the nose. We got the Wakanda makeup on. Wakanda forever. Keep going. You want decent lengths of strokes. There you go. Now you want to get under the chin and right above the lip. So aim for that area. Now you want to dab again, back to the ring finger. There you go. Good job. And you want to keep patting. Now we're going to bring back SpongeBob's cousin, and we're going to do it around the eye. Do it around the eye. That's very important. Now we got this NYC thing going on. You already know. Shout out to New York. And we're going to have another brush, and we're going back under the eyeballs. It's in my experience that I know that under the eyeball is the most crucial part to when doing makeup. So keep that in mind as well. So you want to get a little bit of the cheek. Bigger brush for bigger areas. So you want to get that forehead. Some of you ladies, I know you ain't trying to hate, but you see, God made you the way He made you. But you want to get that big brush all over the face. All over the face. Take your time. Be glorious with it. Now we're going to take this, and we're going to put it on the eyeball lid. So take that finger, same finger again that we've been using this whole time. We're going to dab it up some more. Go rub in there. Don't be afraid to rub a little bit. Now we're going to line it up some more. So we got the small brush for that precision, that pinpoint precision. We going over the eyelashes on the eyeball lid. That's what we're doing. See how carefully she's doing it. And then we're gonna give a little bit of a little thing there. So you're actually adding wings to your eyes because you want your eyes to be fly. That's what we're doing. Wings to the eyes because you want to be fly. Look at that smile. Okay, so we're gonna touch it up some more on the eyeball. Girl, how you do that? Anyway, so you keep doing that thing, and you want to go and do it on the other eyeball. You want to be consistent. We got to do everything the same. If you do it on one eyeball, you got to do it to the next. Now we're going to do something else. You got to get those lashes on fleek, as the kids would say, on fleek. I hope I'm using that in context. So you want to brush your eyelashes. Brush them up. Don't be scared to do it. It's normal. Just brush them up. You want them, tall. Now you want to add the soft touch and a little duo. So what we can do, we're going to glue these eyelashes. So we're already on fleek. Now we're going to be on extra fleek. See, y'all don't know about that. Extra fleek. Now we're going to carefully put these into place, starting with the one eyelid. And I'm looking towards the future. I'm going to guess we're going to do the other eyelid in just a second. But you want to be careful because you don't want to get no glue in your eye because that's a whole fiasco. Then you got to go to the emergency room. That's not going to be a fun night for you. So so brushing, more brushing. It's another big brush. Not as big as the other brush, but big enough to do what we need it to do. So you want to get all up in your face. Just brush, smooth it out, You want to get some nice brushes too that's soft to the skin. Some of you might have irritating skin, so you want to find something that's real soft. Now we're going to take some more stuff and get another brush. This is not as big, so we're looking to be a little bit more precise with this brush. It's not as overall as the last couple of brushes that we've had. Now we're going in for the nose. Each side of the nose, we want to make sure you get the tips, get the nostrils. Get the nostrils in there too. You want to be consistent. More Sephora. Another brush. So you have to have an arsenal of brushes. If you don't have an arsenal of brushes, I don't know what you're doing. So we're going over the face again. We're pampering ourselves. You got to pamper yourself sometimes. Now we're going to take this color pencil and we're going to outline the lip. If some of y'all might have Crayola at home. If that's what you got, then that's what you got. Work with what you got. Now we're going to line up and get the lips all right. Now we're going to take the gloss and we're going to gloss it up. That's what we're going to do. Then rub your lips together. Make sure you get a proper amount all over the place. And look at that smile. Y'all looking good. All right, have a good one.